How to know when your brakes require servicing. Brakes are vital for a safe drive. They stop a car, so you should check them regularly to ensure they are working properly. If your brakes are not working well, you will notice it when you're driving. When you press down on them, they may feel weak or spongy, or make a high-pitched squeal. This means that your brake pads are worn out and need to be replaced. The following are 10 red flags that indicate your brakes need to be checked. Grinding, clicking, and squealing noises are signs of trouble. Brake warning light appears on the dashboard. The brake pedal and steering wheel vibrates when pressed. Brake fluid color, brown or black fluid needs to be replaced. Brake fluid leak. Hard pedal. Burning smell after repeated hard braking. Bringing the car to a stop takes more time than it used to. Pulling left or right when brakes applied. Pedal feels spongy or sinks to the floor. If you notice any of those things, it's time for a brake inspection. At Dash Center, we cater to your needs with a custom-built service package that is specifically designed to accommodate your European car. Whether you need an inspection or a complete brake service, we can help. Our car brake repair cost is lower than most of the car brake replacement service providers in Dubai. Book today and get a flat 10% discount on labor charges for your car brake service in Dubai.